हे भगवान, कोई तो बिजनेस चालू करवा दो. Have you ever thought that I want to quit my job and start a business? But you know what? I don't know what business should I start. I don't know which business should I actually get into. I have no idea. I never done the business. In this video, I'm going to share with you 9 different businesses that you can start today without any money, and you can scale it as well. Okay, so before I give you these 9 steps, let me tell you, when I was starting my business, I come from a very humble family. My dad was a truck driver. I didn't have a lot of money in my account. पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं उगते हैं. All these things I've heard from the childhood. So I worked really, really hard, and I used to think that I don't think I'm born to be an entrepreneur. I was just like, just go to a 9-to-5 job, work hard, make money, that's about it. In 2016, I got exposed to this world of new era of how people are doing business, how people are making money from new ideas, new things. And this just actually blew my mind. And these are the 9 things which I'm going to share with you today, that whatever you think you're passionate about, whatever you like, you can start building your business in any of those domains. Okay? So with that, let's start with the first thing. The first thing is consulting or advising. You see, I am sure you have some experience in certain domains, certain areas. You have some knowledge, whether you're in IT, whether you're in sales, whether in project management, whether you're HR, whatever domain that you have been, I'm sure you have some experience, some knowledge. You have maybe leadership knowledge. You may be have been a part of the team, and you have been leading a team. You have some knowledge. How about you take that same knowledge, market yourself, and get the people who actually need your expertise and your advice. A lot of companies are looking for external consultants. They're looking for advisors, whether you are coming as a contractor on a contract basis, or you become like a board member and board member as an advisor. So having that does not require any money. All it requires is your knowledge, your ability to market yourself and position yourself really well, and you will have a lot of people lining up to buy from you. So that's number 1. Number 2, coaching. Now, how is coaching and consulting and advising different? Coaching is more about focusing on a particular area or a skill and helping people to get the result and transform that particular area, whether it's a fitness coach, mindset coach, business coach, or whatever it is. You could be coach for anything. Now, you do not have to be coach like how to become a millionaire, how to start a business or build a business. It's not required for you to be that kind of coach. You can be a coach at a very specific areas, right? At a level of specific areas, which could be a coach for somebody to transform their body. And the consulting is all about giving the advices and helping people and just going away. Coach actually helps people not only give advices, gives you the target, gives you the plan, helps you to execute it, and sees through it that you actually get the results. So that's what the coach does. And again, as just like consulting, it does not require money. All right, that's number 2. Number 3, digital agency. I have one of my mentee. He is just 21 years old. He did an engineering for 4 years and did not like that engineering, but somehow he just finished that engineering. When he met me, he had no idea what he wants to do in life. He liked the computers, he liked developing, but he did not know how can he actually start a business, make money, because he is also not from rich family background. So what did he do is he learned a skill, and that skill was funnel building. And that funnel building, he started creating funnels for free at the beginning, and then eventually started charging people. And today he has digital agency which is creating the funnels, and he's making money. And his name is Vikas Agarwal. Now, Vikas' story is not a usual story, because most of the people come and say, But Dave, I'm not experienced, I'm not talented, I'm not gifted, how do I do it, what do I do? I said, look at Vikas. How is this guy doing it at the age of 21? He rejected the offer letter of 10,000 rupees a month and he is making 1 lakh a month consistently. That is a digital media agency. All you need is your knowledge, your skills, which can impact other people's life. And just see, going forward, there will be so many people looking for this funnel agency. And if you are one of those who can solve this particular problem, you have a business where it does not require a lot of money and you can scale it. That's number 3. Number 4, this is one of the oldest method of making money without any capital. But it is not for everybody. It is called network marketing. Now, network marketing, a lot of people ask, should I do network marketing? Should I not do network marketing? Network marketing is beautiful, but only if you have an art of connecting with people, influencing people, and also whatever you are selling, you should be passionate about their product and services. Like if you don't consume those products, how are you going to have your downline consume those products? In a long run, okay, network marketing is a not short-term game. It is a long-term game. If you're committed to helping other people join the network, consume the products, and if you can continue to build your downline for 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, and if you enjoy doing that, you have a great business. But you have to again wait. Patience pays. All right. Number 5, software or coding. You see, most of the people in India have a lot of technical knowledge, but how are they using the technical knowledge? Majority of them, they're actually working a 9-to-5 job. Now, in future, you will see the trend that more and more people are going to quit their jobs and they want to become individual freelancers. They will become consultants and they're going to be making a lot of money with their freedom. So if you have skill, which is the software or coding, don't just stay with the technical knowledge. What you should look to do is you should look for the people who are more marketing driven, sales driven, somebody who has a business angle to it, because just the technical knowledge does not make you successful. What happened to Wozniak? Wozniak was a techie. He could develop the software, he could build the software, he could build the tool. Until he met Steve Jobs, he could not flourish. So if you're a techie, if you're a software guy or a girl, find your visionary who can help you to market and brand and solve a problem with your software in the marketplace and can make you money as well. Okay, that's number 5. Number 6, corporate trainings. Now, interesting part about corporate trainings is it has been around for so many years, and I see so many people doing the corporate training 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Now you must be wondering, but Dave, do you think there will be no competition? There will be competition. But the key to this is, don't just be like everybody else and just do normal things, which is maybe a Excel training, soft skills, all those things, basic etiquettes. If you do just same thing, there are millions of people doing the same thing. How are you going to be different? If you're doing a corporate training, can you focus on the things that you can teach the corporates? It could be leadership, it could be sales, right? It could be marketing. Can you teach something there? It could be even mindset. By the way, now the mental fitness and physical fitness also very popular in corporate. So if you can find some knowledge that you have and then you can reach out to the corporates and can get some pipeline, you can become really successful as well. Okay, one of my mentees, Yatiraj Agarwal, he has done corporate training for so many decades and he's done really good job in that. Like, he's been a sales trainer. Unique, right? Not everybody is teaching sales, so he was unique, made a lot of money. But now he has transferred his focus from B2B to even B2C, right? Business to consumer, and he's doing pretty well. He's running the webinars, running the sessions, and he's becoming coach and consultant. So this, again, corporate training is different than coaching. and coaching is different than consulting. Most of the people actually don't understand the difference, okay? So that's corporate training. Number 7, e-commerce. Now, e-commerce can be done based on the product that you ask the manufacturing companies to build it, and you'll put a logo and you sell it as if your product, or you can do something like drop shipping, right? Amazon drop shipping and Shopify and all that. One of my mentees, Umesh, he did this for initial period. He gave an order of yoga mats to one of the manufacturer, and he paid him some amount for the yoga mats, and he asked them to put this branding and logo on it, and he set up his Amazon account, and he asked the manufacturer to ship directly to Amazon's go down. And all he had to do is do some marketing on social media or ads and sell those things. He was able to sell it successfully, right? So he does not have to have stocks. He does not have to put a lot of money in investment. He does not have to worry about the shipping, delivery, customer, nothing. He just has to get the guy from the manufacturing to print it and then manufacture it, and that's about it. That's an e-commerce business. One of my mentees, Paulini Carr, part of Passionpreneur Mastermind, she has started her own e-commerce thing at a small level because she is passionate about painting. So she'll take the glasses and the cardboard boxes, cardboard glasses, plastics and waste and bottles. She would draw some beautiful art on that and colors on that, and she sells it on e-commerce on the platforms. That is another way of making money without any money, just with an idea. Apart from e-commerce, we have drop shipping. As I said, e-commerce is a little different than the drop shipping. The e-commerce and drop shipping, e-commerce is your own product and you're trying to sell it. Drop shipping is something like you're just finding somebody else's products, buying it at a cheaper rate, and you're putting your own digital shop on Amazon or Shopify or wherever, and you're buying it cheap from other vendors who are selling it from other, like Walmart or whatever it is online, buying it from there and selling it directly from there to the buyers. Now, I'm not an expert on drop shipping, but that is one of the areas if you're somebody who's passionate about doing that, okay? Last but not the least, it is IP products. What are the IP products? Let's say you have some knowledge, you have some wisdom, sales, marketing, business, whatever it is, mindset. What if you can create a video course and you train people in that video step by step by step? Now, how do you create a video course? It's a different video altogether, okay? For that, I suggest you actually attend one of my webinars on how do you monetize your passion, different ways to monetize your passion, or quit 9 to 5 or build your business on a passion. So check out the links below in the comment box or in the description, or reach out to my team at support@davegadhvi.com. They'll give you an upcoming webinar. But anyways, you can convert your knowledge, your skill into a video course, and that becomes your intellectual property. Then now you can sell that on your own platforms like Gadhvi or Teachable or Thinkific, or you can take that video and put it up on the other sites like Udemy, where they give you some commission if you sell the products. Now, you can do either way, and that becomes your intellectual property products. Books are just the same way. Ebooks are the same way. You create something which becomes your intellectual property, and let's say you innovate something, that also could be an intellectual product. Also, there are a lot of people who are the agents for domain, right? They keep the domains, nurture it, it becomes an asset. When somebody wants to buy it, they sell it on premium. They bought it on very cheap, hundreds or thousands of them, and they sell it to them people. Let's say if somebody bought my domain, Dave Gadhvi, right? DaveGadhvi.com. Man, it's so crucial for me. You know how much money I had to pay? For DaveGadhvi.com, I paid about 1.5 lakh rupees. Somebody had bought it, my domain. They would have bought it probably for 500 or 1,000 rupees, and they kept it for 1 or 2 years. But now, it just gave them return, crazy return. That also is an intellectual product, intellectual property. And you can sell it to somebody, or you can lease it to somebody, or you can make a royalty out of it. These are the ways how you can make money, okay? Put it in chat box. Which one is your favorite? Out of all 9, which one is your favorite? And if you have some other suggestions that you want me to make the videos on, put it in chat box. I would love to hear from you, and I will direct you in the right direction. Some of the best comments, I'm going to pin it on the chat as well. Thank you so much for this time. And as I said, go ahead and join the webinars, and then you will continue to learn, because practically it is not possible for me to teach you everything here. Again, you can also go and pick up the book, 6 Sundays a week. It's going to change your life, help you to build your 6 Sundays a week from nothing to something substantial. Okay, this is Gadhvi. Until next time, bye.